The influence of weather on ecosystem dynamics. Weather patterns, such as temperature, precipitation, and wind, play a critical role in shaping ecosystems by determining the availability of resources like water and sunlight. These patterns influence plant growth, animal behavior, and the overall distribution of species within a habitat, creating diverse ecosystems across the globe. Temperature as a key regulator. Temperature variations directly affect ecosystems by influencing the metabolic rates of organisms and seasonal changes. For example, colder climates support ecosystems like tundras with hardy vegetation, while warmer regions sustain tropical rainforests with dense biodiversity. Seasonal temperature shifts also trigger migrations and hibernations in animals. Precipitation shapes plant and animal life. Rainfall patterns dictate the abundance and types of vegetation in an ecosystem. Areas with high rainfall, such as rainforests, support lush plant life, while arid regions, like deserts, have sparse vegetation adapted to conserve water. These plant types, in turn, determine the species of animals that thrive there. Wind dispersal and pollination. Winds play a vital role in ecosystems by dispersing seeds and pollen, aiding plant reproduction. They also influence weather systems, such as storms or dry winds, that can reshape ecosystems. For example, strong winds may cause wildfires or soil erosion, altering the local habitat and species composition. Seasonal changes and ecosystem cycles. Seasonal weather variations, such as monsoons or dry seasons, drive the life cycles of ecosystems. These changes affect migration patterns, breeding seasons, and resource availability. In tropical regions, monsoons replenish water supplies, while in temperate zones, seasonal snowmelt nourishes rivers and plains. Extreme weather events and adaptation. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods can drastically alter ecosystems. While some species are resilient and adapt to these disruptions, others may face extinction or displacement. For example, floods can deposit nutrient-rich sediment, rejuvenating ecosystems, while droughts may cause desertification. Microclimates within ecosystems. Microclimates, small-scale weather patterns within a larger ecosystem, create localized variations in temperature and moisture. These conditions support unique niches, such as shaded areas under dense forest canopies or sunny clearings, allowing a wider diversity of species to coexist within the same ecosystem. Climate zones and ecosystem diversity. Broad weather patterns create distinct climate zones, such as polar, temperate, and tropical regions. Each zone hosts unique ecosystems, from Arctic tundras to tropical rainforests, shaped by long-term weather conditions. These zones provide the framework for global biodiversity distribution. Human influence on weather and ecosystems. Human activities, such as deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions, alter weather patterns and disrupt ecosystems. Changing rainfall patterns, rising temperatures, and more frequent extreme events lead to habitat loss and shifts in species distributions, impacting global biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Weather patterns and ecosystem resilience. Ecosystems rely on stable weather patterns for resilience and long-term survival. While they adapt to natural fluctuations, rapid or severe changes can challenge their balance. Understanding the relationship between weather and ecosystems is essential for conservation efforts and mitigating climate change impacts.